Hello kids, welcome to MCQ Education. Today I am here with science quiz questions for class 1 students. Let's see how many of you can pass this quiz. You need to note down your answers on your notebook, and at the end of the video I'll show you scoreboard and let's see how many of you will pass the quiz. So let's start with the video. Before starting the video, I want to request you to subscribe my channel for more educational videos and for worksheets, and please hit the bell icon to get the notification of my videos. Here is our first question. Which of the following plant is a herb? Now read the options: mango, mint, hibiscus or coconut. Think about the correct answer and note down on your notebook. And the correct answer is mint. Yes, mint is a herb. Let's move to our next question. Which of these is an important function of the roots of a plant? Here are the options: to absorb oxygen from the atmosphere, to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, to absorb water and minerals from the soil, or all of the above. Think about the correct answer, note down in your notebook. And the correct answer is C, to absorb water and minerals from the soil. Move to our next question. Which of the following plants commonly found in a desert? And the options are mango, neem, cactus or apple. And the correct answer is cactus. The leaves of dash are used as food. And the options are onion, cabbage, spinach or D, both B and C. And the correct answer is both B and C. Which of these is a creeper? Look at the images very carefully. Write down your answer on your notebook. And the correct answer is pumpkin. Pumpkin is a creeper. Which of the following statement explain about climbers? And the options are climbers are plants with weak stems. They cannot stand on their own. They climb up on support, or D, all of the above. Think about the correct answer. And the correct answer is all of the above. Which part of the plants given below are eaten as food? Look at the images. Yes, this is broccoli and cauliflower. Options are roots, leaves, flowers or stems. And the correct answer is flowers. Our next question is: fruits develop from dash. And the options are option A, leaves, option B, flowers, option C, seeds, and option D, stem. Think about the correct answer. And the correct answer is flowers. Which of the following part is known as the food storehouse of the plants? And the options are option A, stem, option B, leaves, option C, roots, or option D, shoot? And the correct answer is option A, stem. In this question, we need to select odd one out. We will give the answer according to row. Row wise, we will give these answers. Like in the first row, we have money plant, grapevine, bean and pumpkin. You need to find out odd option among these four. In the first row, pumpkin is the odd one because pumpkin is a creeper and money plant, grapevine and bean are the climbers. In the next row, table, chair, door and medicines. In these, medicine is the odd one because table, chair and door we obtain from wood. The next one is root, shoot, trees and leaves. In this, trees are the odd one because root, shoot and leaves are the parts of plant. The next one is cactus, rose, cotton and hibiscus. Which one is the odd one among these? In these, cactus is the odd one because rose, cotton and hibiscus are the shrubs and the cactus is a desert plant. Now move to the next one. Water, wood, pulses or medicines. Which one is the odd one? Here, water is the odd one. Wood, pulses and medicines are obtained from plants, while water is a natural thing. And the next question is, oil is not obtained from which of the following plant? Here are the options. Option A, mango. Option B, mustard. Option C, sunflower. And option D, coconut. Think about the correct answer. And the correct answer is mango. Hey kids, here is your scoreboard. Hope you scored well. So if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends and see how much they will get. So bye bye, soon we will meet in the next video. For more educational videos, for worksheets, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of my video.